Chapter 12. India, the land of festivals. Festivals. India is the land of many festivals and special days. Some of these days are so important that they are celebrated as national festivals. Some festivals are special to a particular religion and are called religious festivals. Some festivals are celebrated when crops are ready for harvest. They are called harvest festivals. National festivals. Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. India became free from the British rule on this day in 1947. The Prime Minister of India unfurls the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. On this day, in 1950, our constitution came into effect. The President unfurls the national flag and takes the salute of a colorful parade at Kartavya Path, Rajpath, in Delhi. Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi was a great person born in India. He taught us to be kind to each other. We fondly call him Bapu or the father of the nation. We celebrate his birthday on 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti every year. Religious festivals. Diwali. Diwali is celebrated to mark the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years of forest exile. The whole world seems to sparkle brightly as people light up their houses with diyas and candles. Goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, is worshipped on this day. Eid-ul-Fitr. Eid-ul-Fitr marks the end of Ramzan, the month-long fasting. People greet one another saying Eid Mubarak. They go to the mosque to pray. A sweet dish, Sevaiya, is enjoyed by the people. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated every year on 25th December. It marks the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. People start their day by attending church. They offer special prayer at the church. It is also known as Bara Din or the Big Day. Christmas trees are beautifully decorated. Jingling bells, cakes, surprise gifts, cards, etc. are some other attractions of this festival. Gurpurab. Gurpurab means the festival of the Guru. Huge processions are taken out through cities and towns. Prayers are held in Gurudwaras all over the country. Langar or free food is distributed on these days. Holi. Holi is a popular religious festival of northern India. It is celebrated in the month of March. It marks the change of season. Crops such as wheat, gram, mustard and millets are ready for harvesting. People celebrate by sprinkling colors or gulal on one another. Harvest festivals. Pongal. The main harvest festival of Tamil Nadu is Pongal. It marks the end of rice harvesting. It is celebrated on the first day of the Tamil month of Thai, sometime in January. A rice dish called Pongal is made and offered to the sun god. The cow is also worshipped. Onam. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. It is celebrated in the month of August or September. People worship King Mahabali. They enjoy boat races and a feast known as Sadhya. Bihu. In Assam, people celebrate Bihu. It marks the end of the harvesting season in the month of Magh, which is around January to February. Feasts, bonfires and traditional games make the festival very special. Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the harvest festival of Punjab. People perform the joyous dance of Bhagra on the beats of Dhol. Other festivals, Lohari in Punjab and Sankranti in northern India, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka mark the end of winter. Basant Panchami welcomes spring. Tej is celebrated to mark the coming of rains.